Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Abacha, and I am an accredited seller of DMC Home. So today, tara samahan niyo ako at itutour ko kayo sa aming one bedroom na Type C. Okay po. Hello po, kamusta po kayo? So, ito, for this video naman, ang isi-showcase natin is yung one bedroom unit natin na 30 meters na one bedroom na Type C. Okay, so this one is just behind the elevator. Pero this one is sa Prisma Residences na project, okay? Particularly kay Kiran Building. And as of today, April 16, this unit is still available. Tara, papakita ko po sa inyo. So this is the elevator lobby. Ngayon, nandito siya sa likod na to. Usually, itong unit na to is mga 2-bedroom units. Pero for this building, 1 bedroom siya. So pagpasok mo, meron kami ni foyer dito. Wherein, nandito na directly yung iyong living and dining area. Okay, and also nandito sa part na to, yung kitchen area natin. Okay, so dito included na yun yung turnover deliverables natin, granite countertop, and then yung mga cabinet system natin. Okay, living and dining, nandito napaka-spacious nitong unit na to. Well, dito yung toilet and bath mo. Okay, so upon delivery, kasama na yung fittings and fixtures natin. So what is good about this unit? So this unit is facing towards Laguna de Bay. May partition ka because this is a 1-bedroom unit, and spacious din yung 1 bedroom natin, yung bedroom natin. Standard no window type aircon. And then dito sa elevate sa balcony natin, meron tayong 4 square meters sa balcony, wherein nandito yung view natin, napakaganda ni Laguna de Bay. So nakikita ninyo right now, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. So makita ninyo ang ganda ng view natin dito. Okay, ayan. So as of April 16, available pa po itong type of unit. Ngayon, if you want to know more about this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko, naka-flash sa screen nyo, may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, or pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site view, okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you very much for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.